Providence announced yesterday health care benefits for striking nurses will be cut by the end of this month. Today marks 5 weeks since the beginning of the historic nursing strike at 8 Providence, Oregon hospitals. The union says Thursday's notification came less than a day after negotiations with Providence reopened, following nearly a week of silence. The Oregon Nurses Association says taking away health insurance from nurses and their families while delaying negotiations is also shameful and inexcusable. On the picket line today, nurses said they're disappointed, as many of their own families are on their insurance plans. They have no intention of abandoning the picket line until they receive what they believe is a fair contract.
I don't think that it's something that's going to scare us. What I've heard overwhelmingly is that the nurses really stand solid and unafraid. It feels like a really threatening move from Providence.
Striking nurses say many of them are now exploring alternatives for health coverage. The union reached out to Providence through federal mediators, but are still waiting to hear back. NBC5 reached out to Providence, which shared the email it sent to caregivers. It says, in part, quote, "Since the beginning of the strike, Providence and ONA have been clear that health care benefits for striking caregivers would not continue indefinitely. Now, given the extended timeline of the strike, health care benefits will lapse for striking caregivers as of February 28th. Those striking caregivers who return to work by February 28th will not see a suspension of their benefits," end quote.